ever thought about earning $2 billion in just 24 hours? Well, it may seem impossible or hard, but it's not impossible. There was only one person who was able to do this on just 24 hours. George Soros and his hedge fund was able to make make a significant profit of $1 billion in just 24 hours by betting against the British pound. The British government at this time was trying to maintain the value of the pound with the European exchange rate mechanism. So George Soros in this time was realized that the pound was overvalued and unsustainable. So he decided to take a short position against the pound. His actions, and along with other speculators, was made enormous selling pressure on the pound at this time, and the government and the Bank of England was forced to withdraw from the ERM in this time. And after that, they earned $1 billion, which is equal now $2 billion. Okay, let's start. We are talking today about something good. We will talk about how the artificial intelligence will improve our industry. Firstly, I need to show you a video about something.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. My name is Ben, and here's what's happening in the markets today.
US exports of light sweet crude to China jumped to a 5-month high as the world's biggest crude importer boosted refining, and as Europe's demand eased, market participants said. The outlook for the global economy is growing slightly brighter as China eases its zero-COVID policies, and the world shows surprising resilience in the face of high inflation, elevated interest rates, and Russia's ongoing war against Ukraine. The UK formally laid out plans to regulate the cryptocurrency industry, with the government looking to rein in some of the reckless business practices that emerged over the past year and contributed to the demise of FTX. The euro-dollar pair exploded 1.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The dollar dropped 0.9% against the yen in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The pound gained 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar pair exploded 1.1% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. Germany's trade balance will be released at 0700 hours GMT. The French 10Y bond auction at 0950 GMT, Japan's 10Y bond auction at 0335 GMT. Australia's AIG Performance of Construction Index will be released at 2130 GMT, the US unit labour costs at 1330 GMT, the UK's monetary policy summary at 1200 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for all the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Okay, is he a good presenter? He is a professional presenter, or more than that, he is a artificial intelligence, and that's what we will talk about it today. When George Soros defeat the Bank of England, he didn't defeat him in a direct confrontation, but he defeated him by the good analysis that he make about the market. Just imagine if you have a tool that better and faster than this, what will happen? The artificial intelligence can help us in a lot of fields in our field. Let's start about the data analysis. The artificial intelligence can analyze a lot of financial indicators and the market weather, and also the historical price, and at the same time he can also predict the pattern that happened in the chart all the time. If we got some technical analyst and show them this chart, they will be different in analyzing this chart. Every one of them will see a different pattern, but the artificial intelligence can see all the pattern in accurate way. So we can use it in the data analysis. Also, we can use it in the risk management. We all know that the risk management is the most reason for losing in trading. So if we use artificial intelligence in it, we can develop more ways. It can also help the traders to maintain good strategies for risk management without any faults. And the third thing is the algorithm trading. The AI, the artificial intelligence, can develop a lot of strategies and made it automatically in the chart. So the human will not evaluate it. He will make it automatically, and with the time he can learn from himself and develop this strategy. And also one of the most things in the artificial intelligence is the market sentiment. The artificial intelligence can also read the news and the social of the traders, and by that he also can predict what will happen in according to the market sentiment. Okay, let's talk about another thing. The artificial intelligence, and we are in Evest, was the one to was introduced some tools in our terminal that help in a good way on trading. Such this tools is like is helping on analyzing the markets. It is also helping on that risk management and another tools. And the last thing was the metaverse. Evest was the first company that introduced the training about the metaverse on the Forex industry. By the artificial intelligence, we also can develop this in a good way, because artificial intelligence can make more characters and can also make more analytics for the learners in the field. So I think that the artificial intelligence will help a lot in our industry in the next year. Thank you.